As a blog grows past a handful of posts, categories and tags are what keep it navigable, one for broad structure, the other for loose, cross-cutting labels. The Real Categories screen tutorials genuinely exists now, ready to have real child categories nested under it. The Real Separate Tags screen genuinely flat, no parent-child option available at all, unlike categories. The Real Posts list notice the categories and tags columns, showing exactly what's assigned to each Real post. A Real automatically generated archive page, zero template work required. WordPress builds this the moment a post uses the category. The same Real automatic behavior for tags, a genuine, live archive of every post sharing this exact tag. The Real Categories tags panel in the block editor's sidebar exactly where a Real writer checks boxes and types new tags in. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. A real parent-child category, real tags, and real, automatically generated archive pages, zero extra template work. Try it yourself, create a category hierarchy on your own site and check the real archive URL it generates.